never done a live video on a plane.
Neither have I.
It's like the Mile High Club, right? But it's a video thing. So we're about to land in Houston. Switch that around there.
Landing gear is down, so we're not too far away. Nobody wants to see us today.
I think it should be working around Wi-Fi. Oh, Joseph's watching. All right, cool. So we've never done a live video on an airplane before?
I have not either. A lot of other things I've never done on an airplane either.
Yeah, in the comments, let us know things you've never done on an airplane. Anyway, we are flying down to Houston to promote video Help Clint Medding with Nordheim. Yes. Friday night, starts at 7 o'clock.
7.
Saturday
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock Saturday morning. That's a guard tractors.
6:30 Saturday night.
6 o'clock Saturday night.
Okay.
Noon, we're going to run some farm stock and local diesel pickups and stuff like that. So the beer money pulling teams in Texas minus a remedy. We're going to land in Houston, rent a car, and drive to Nordheim.
Yep.
So let us know where you're watching from right now until I turn our Wi-Fi off as we land. So here, flipping around. Austin's watching, Mark's watching. Looking up window there. Talk to him a little bit.
We're approaching the airport here. So, yeah, legitly.
See, Texas looks green.
Texas is green this time of the year. Maybe.
Maybe. They said, Clint said it's been really dry down here. Like they're having a drought or whatever. So.
Just figure we'd try something a little different.
Yeah. We'll let it play until they turn off the... I know once you go certain... Kansas is checking in. Home of Doug Meisinger. Scrappy. We were joking, Ron Stone was joking about nobody's ever heard of Scrappy before until last weekend. So. There's got to be somebody from Texas watching right now there, I think.
There's got to be somebody from Texas. Texas is... Everything's bigger than Texas.
Close enough to... Oh, yeah, Brad hates flying. He's talked about that before.
Well, Brad, you're getting a first-time experience.
Ask him if he's going to Liberty this weekend. He jumped on my live with Ryan.
Brad, are you headed to Liberty this weekend?
Maryland's watching. Texas.
Texas. There we are. Curtis, where are you at in Texas? Are we going to see you in Nordheim this weekend?
They'll be like, it's 12 hours from where I'm at. Probably be landing in 10 minutes or so, 10, 15 minutes, maybe.
Oh, us?
Yeah. Curtis is in Central. I get Nordheim, Texas is Friday night, 7 o'clock. Saturday night, 6 o'clock. Texas Truck and Tractor Pulling Association. Probably won't make it to this one yet, but haven't decided for sure yet. So.
Whoa!
Try to let all the local pullers know Saturday during the day, noon, hooking like stock diesel pickups, stock gas trucks, farm tractors, antiques, garden tractors are in
Whoa!
Whole plane.
Oh, you get a little bumpy.
That's called humidity. That's what Texas humidity does, I think.
Yeah, well, here we coming in.
At the airport, can you see it?
Yeah, there's the runway over there.
Send your phone over a little bit. You're grabbing the blender. Maybe think we'll be able to land? Live landing.
Live landing here, the beer money on a rough flight into Houston.
Rough? Hope not.
No, it is. You don't feel this plane going sideways?
I do. Try to be positive.
When we die, people, you can show the FAA what happened.
We have video.
And we are down. construction work.
Yeah, you want to pick the wrong one here. That'd be bad.
All right, guys, we're gonna check out.
How long
Remember,
was the flight? 2.5 hours.
2.5 hour flight.
Do a zoom here. Pretty shut her off. Say goodbye.
We'll see you, Nordheim.
Come
7
to
o'clock
Nordheim,
tomorrow
guys.
night.
Yep.